abatura bahirira omwanya ogwaho obutandebire hine batugambire
amamotoka ya drone yamuza Kampala yamuza Port yano mtakano kutoka ni batangezi ndio bero ya amani n'imodoka zatumerangana abantu bamu bapfire
habayirohorore hari harubaju niyeresire ebyo byona kurora akabenje kanu kabaho musoko tutasaga nka government motokezi kuferaga muno ha muhanda ezo nimuzihimba speed nimuzihaho
Angela Kacho n'umwe habahonokireho kandi twamushango mu irwara rya Chenjo Gerhango kandi yatugambira ko butandeje bireho
driver alimbese akihatan boy mara kumsevingira mwana cyo katambati amuka yenda kole amuka gimse kurumu kan kuno matukuza nikora ati wahindira tugimha kurumu ati yaman hako sereki yeriyo eyobereni jaje kangira bugiye kanga
Ministry of Works yije okoleho enu blind spot kan wakaikaraka tukafererwaho abantu bayitujere barugire ntungamo n'abandi hati twafererwaho bandi mukaira kake.
Two vehicles, one was traveling from Potpocho, another one was traveling from Chenjejo direction. There was a truck that was parked by the roadside, and as one of them was overtaking the truck, the other one bumped into the other, and a very serious accident just happened.
Afirega abantu ikumenom abanyakufirige mu butandwobu abantu amakuru amabi agatwatunganye ncyemu n'abantu abatwerega abama abatwerega buhinga abantu abasatu nabo bafiri.
And I can confirm to you that 10 people lost their lives on spot and 22 are seriously injured.
Polisi negira ngo butandweje rugirira hamuvuji.
This was caused by, for now, it was caused by reckless driving from the driver of UBK 017N who overtook in a sharp bend and he found his colleague and knocked him.
Omugani makuru abantu 15 baferira muri za batandu abandi 5 bitwombero bikuru omucanga cya Rwenzo West kurugirira har polisi ebyamanyurwa mu rukiko rw'abanyamakorera izobo rw'abahambuga nkuru za polisi omuri Boma Fort Poto
bwafidemu abantu 15 netufunamu akabenjera ke tuita serious akabamu abantu abafunye ebiwundu betuita serious injuries bali 29.
Polisi negira ngo butande nyinje zibireho zirigesurwa bavuje okuvugisa ekimama
tuvugise oba tugoberera amateeka g'okukubo bwa tolina kuyisa mukona toyisa oba owulira okooye parking emmoloka owummule tovugisa ndiima tonywa n'ovuga n'ebirala.
Polisi hona nereka ngo mu biro bikuru ebi abantu 5 bisurwa mu kyanga kya Rwenzo West.
Era twafuna abantu abattibwa 5 nga bava mu districts ababiri bavanga mu districts ya Kyegegwa. Twafunayo omuntu omu yafa eka balwanira mu bbaala olina kuba munene amutta. Netufunayo ebundi bujjo naye era balwanira mu bbaala omuntu n'afa. N'omukyala akwasa tumulumu ekiro emugusu, that is not division ya police bamutema nga balwanira ttaka era ntwaga okakasa abantu ntino mu bantu bano abatano abafa tulina bonna ba suspect.
Amakuraga gashakwa Daniel Bingana na Jonan Tusingwire.